we learned about our clothes. In that, we learned about different types of clothes, why we wear clothes, then which type of clothes we wear in summer, winter and rainy season. Do you remember what I taught in last class? Do you remember? Okay, why we wear clothes? Why we wear clothes? We wear clothes to protect us from heat, rain, wind and cold. We wear clothes to protect us from heat, rain, cold and wind. It also protects us from dust, dirt and insects. Okay, then which type of clothes we wear in summer? Which type of clothes we wear in summer? We wear cotton clothes in summer. We wear cotton clothes in summer. Isn't it? So cotton clothes means light colored, very nice clothes. Okay. Then which type of clothes we wear in winter? We wear woolen clothes. We wear woolen clothes in winter, which keeps our body warm. Okay. Then which type of clothes we wear in rainy season? We wear raincoats, gum boots and also carry umbrella. Okay, good. So we learned up to this. Hope you all watched my video and understood up to this. Okay, inform me if you having any doubts. So we will go to the next portion. Okay, I will ask you one question. From where do we get cotton, woolen and silk clothes? From where do we get? From where do we get the cotton, woolen and silk clothes? We get these clothes from plants and animals. We get these clothes from plants and animals. Plants and animals. From where do we get cotton, woolen and silk clothes? We get these clothes from plants and animals. We get these clothes from plants and animals. Okay. So, we get these clothes from plants and animals. We get cotton clothes, then woolen clothes and silk clothes from plants and animals. Okay, so we get cotton clothes, woolen clothes and silk clothes from plants and animals. From plants and animals. Okay. From plants and animals. We get cotton clothes, woolen clothes and silk clothes from plants and animals. Okay. From where do we get wool? From where do we get wool? We get wool from sheep. We get wool from sheep. Okay. From where do we get wool? We get wool from sheep. Okay. We get wool from sheep. From where do we get cotton? From where do we get cotton? We get cotton from cotton plants. We get cotton from cotton plants. Okay. Then about silk. We also wear silk clothes. You know they are shiny, smooth to touch, very attractive. From where do we get these silk threads? From where do we get silk threads? We get silk threads from silkworm. We get silk threads from silkworm. Okay, so we get these clothes from plants and animals. We get these clothes from plants and animals. Okay. So cotton from cotton plants. You know jute also, jute from jute plant. Then wool from sheep and silk from silkworm. Okay, so listen. We get cotton. We get cotton from cotton plants. Cotton from cotton plant. Then jute from jute plant. Jute from jute plant. Then what? Wool from where? Sheep. Wool from sheep. Then last one is what? Silk from silkworm. Very good. Silk from silkworm. Okay. So we get cotton from cotton plants. We get cotton from cotton plants. Then jute from jute plant. Wool from sheep. And silk from silkworm. Silk from silkworm. Okay, cotton from cotton plant. Jute from jute plant. Then wool from sheep. And silk from silkworm. Okay. Okay. Next is about uniform. Can you tell me why do you wear uniform? Yes. Dear kids, you wear school uniform when you go to school. You know. But you don't wear them when you are at home. Whenever you come back from your school, you change your school uniform. Isn't it? Similarly, there are others who wear uniform. Can you name them? There are many other people who wear uniform. Different type of people wear different types of uniforms. Like policemen, military, nurses, etc. So different type of people wear different types of uniform according to their jobs. Like policemen, military, nurses, postman, etc. Okay. Do you have uniforms? Do you have uniforms? When you go to hospitals, do you notice that the doctors have same dresses? Why do they wear same dresses? What is the name of that dress? Okay, some people wear special clothes for work. Some people wear special clothes for work. These are called uniforms. So what are uniforms? Some people wear special clothes for work. These are called the uniforms. Some people wear special clothes. Some people wear special clothes for work. These these are called uniforms. These are called uniforms. So what are uniforms? Some people wear special clothes. Some people wear special clothes for work. These are called uniforms. Okay. And these help them be safe or help others identify them easily. Isn't it? These uniforms help them be safe or help others to identify them easily. Okay, you also students wear uniforms to identify that you are students of a particular school. Isn't it? Students wear uniforms to identify that you are the students of a particular school. Okay, different schools have different uniforms. Different schools have different uniforms. Okay, even a nurse have an uniform, a soldier, a postman, a military man, a doctor, then a navy man, all having different dresses, different uniforms according to their work. Okay. The clothes which people wear tell us about the work they do. The clothes which people wear tell us about the work they do. You know, people working in banks and office wear light colored clothes. People working in banks and office wear light colored clothes. Okay, then motor mechanics. You know, motor mechanics use which color clothes? They had a uniform that is with a dark colored clothes. They wear dark colored clothes. Why they wear dark colored clothes? Motor mechanics use dark colored clothes. Why they wear dark colored clothes while working? While working, they use dark colored clothes so that the dirt doesn't show on their clothes. The dirt doesn't show on their clothes. Okay. Then, okay. So let us summarize what we learned today. We learned that we get different types of clothes from plants and animals. That is, we get cotton clothes, woolen clothes and silk clothes from plants and animals. We get cotton from cotton plants. We get cotton from cotton plants. Then jute from jute plants. Silk from silkworm. Then wool from sheep. Okay, we get different types of clothes from plants and animals. We get cotton from cotton plants, wool from sheep, then jute from jute plants and silk from silkworm. Okay. And we learned about uniforms. What are uniforms? Uniforms are special clothes. People wear special clothes for their work. People wear special clothes for their work. Some people wear special clothes for work. These are called uniforms, and these help them to be safe and help others to identify them easily. Okay. These uniforms means some people wear special clothes for, some people wear special clothes for work, and these are called uniforms. These help them to be safe and help others to identify them easily. Okay. So, children, please learn up to this and be always safe and be tidy. Thank you.
We wear clothes to cover our body.
How are clothes protect us?
Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain and dust. Clothes also make us look smart. We wear different kinds of clothes in different seasons. Cotton clothes.
What are the cotton clothes?
We wear cotton clothes in summer. Cotton clothes keep us cool. We get cotton from cotton plant.
These are some examples of cotton clothes.
Shorts, shirt, t-shirt, frock. Woolen clothes.
What are the woolen clothes?
We wear woolen clothes in winter. Woolen clothes keep our bodies warm. We get wool from sheep.
These are some examples of woolen clothes.
Sweater, coat, cap, gloves. Some other clothes. We wear raincoats and gumboots in rainy season. They protect us from rain. Uniform.
What is the uniform?
Some people wear special clothes when they go for work. These clothes are called uniforms. Soldier, doctor, nurse, postman, student, lawyer, policeman. We should wear clean and well-ironed clothes. We should always take good care of our clothes. Remember, clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain and dust. We wear different kinds of clothes in different seasons.